Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix game bar error recording isn't working. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing recording isn't working on your game bar, then I will show you couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you have to just click on this search menu, then type here game bar. You can see here game bar. In right side you will find app settings. Click on this. Scroll down. First you can click on terminate. After clicking terminate, you can check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then below you will find reset. Under reset you will find first option repair. Just click on this repair. After completion of this repair, you can check whether your issue has been resolved or not. After doing still you are facing the issue, then you can try this method. Before clicking reset, you have to read this carefully. If this system component still isn't working right, reset it. The system components data will be deleted. After reading this, just click on reset, then click on reset again. After completion of this, just close this window, then do the third method. Click on search menu, then type here disk cleanup. You can see here disk cleanup. Click on this, select your Windows drive, click on OK. You have to check mark all these options, then click on OK and click on delete files. After completion of this, just restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix game bar recording isn't working on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.